Today is December the 1st, and I'm doing a video of adorable little Miss Cinnamon. Hi, are you a pretty girl, Miss Cinnamon? What do you think of all this stuff? Huh? What do you think of all this stuff? Here. We got all kinds of Santa stuff, don't we? Get it. Get it. What are you doing? You trying to eat the teddy bear's tongue? Huh? Huh? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that adorable little girl? Huh? Who's that adorable little girl? Are your cousins over there squealing? What are they squealing for? Huh? What are they squealing for? Anyway, she's doing really good. Getting very playful, as you can see. Go get that. Say, I'm ready for Christmas. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. Are you ready? Huh? Where's Miss Cinnamon? Where's Miss Cinnamon? Where's Miss Cinnamon at? Hmm? Are you playing hide and seek? Hi. Anyway, give Barb a call, 251-300-9534, about little Miss Cinnamon. This is a video for her mom to see, okay?